Hello, Mahira. You look a little tired today. Hello, Eliza. Yes, I am tired, but also happy. That's understandable. Taking care of a newborn baby is not easy. Yes, it is very challenging, especially for the first time. How old is your baby now? She is 3 weeks old now. 3 weeks is still very new. Yes, every day feels like a new experience. How was your first week after delivery? Honestly, it was very difficult. Difficult in what way? My body was weak, I was emotional, and the baby needed constant care. That is very normal after delivery. Yes, but at that time I was scared. What were you scared about? I was scared that I might do something wrong. Every new mother feels that way. That makes me feel better. Tell me about the baby's daily routine. There is no fixed routine yet. Yes, newborn babies don't follow a schedule. She sleeps, wakes up, feeds, and sleeps again. How many hours does she sleep in a day? Almost 16 to 18 hours. That's completely normal. But she wakes up very often at night. Night care is the hardest part. Yes, my sleep cycle is totally disturbed. How do you manage night feeding? I keep everything ready near my bed. That's a smart idea. I keep diapers, wipes, and water nearby. Preparation makes things easier. Yes, otherwise I panic. Are you breastfeeding only? Yes, only breastfeeding. How often does the baby feed? Every 2 hours, sometimes even earlier. Newborns feed very frequently. Yes, she cries loudly when she is hungry. Crying is the baby's language. I am slowly learning to understand her cries. That understanding comes with time. Yes, now I can tell if she is hungry or uncomfortable. Do you burp her after every feeding? Yes, every single time. How do you burp her? I hold her on my shoulder and pat her gently. That is the best method. Sometimes it takes time. Patience is very important. Yes, rushing makes her uncomfortable. What about diaper changing? I change her diaper very often. How often exactly? Almost every 2 hours or whenever needed. That helps prevent rashes. Yes, diaper rash scares me. Do you apply diaper cream? Yes, every time I change the diaper. Which type of cream do you use? A doctor recommended baby cream. That's good. I avoid home remedies. That's a wise decision. I don't want to take risks. How do you bathe the baby? Very carefully and gently. How many times a week? 2 times a week. That's perfect for newborn skin. Yes, daily bathing makes her skin dry. Do you oil massage the baby? Yes, before bath. Massage helps blood circulation. Yes, and she enjoys it. Which oil do you use? Mild baby oil suggested by elders. Traditional knowledge is helpful. Yes, but I still check with the doctor. That's very responsible. I want to be careful. How do you dress the baby? In soft cotton clothes. Do you overdress her? No, I dress her lightly. Babies feel heat more than cold. Yes, I check her neck to see if she's comfortable. That's a good trick. I learned it from my mother. How about room temperature? I keep it moderate. Not too cold, not too hot. Exactly. Do visitors come to see the baby? Yes, many people want to visit. That can be risky. Yes, I limit visitors. Hygiene is very important. Everyone washes hands before touching her. That's excellent. I'm very strict about cleanliness. How are you feeling emotionally? Some days I feel happy, some days emotional. Mood swings are common after delivery. Yes, sometimes I cry without reason. That's completely normal. You should never suppress your feelings. I agree. Do you get time for yourself? Very little. Even small self-care matters. Yes, I try to rest when the baby sleeps. That's the best advice. Sleep is very precious now. Do you eat properly? I try, but sometimes I forget. Nutrition is very important for you. Yes, especially because I'm breastfeeding. Drink plenty of water. I keep a water bottle near me. Good habit. Small habits make big difference. You are doing really well, Mahira. Thank you, Eliza. Your words motivate me.